to make sure you get this data corrected, so here you are going to look for this pharmacist. This, yeah, pharmacist is check if that person, yeah, for your C, or check the person a male or a female. Correct it. That is how you are going to do all through. You get looking at it, you see this is male. So just come here directly and change to M. So this is how you are going to do all through to match your data to the way you want it. Yeah, already done that. So here we move next, which is next step, which is state. Your state, you see you have different values. I entered wrongly as state, so Abia and state. So the same thing applicable. And data for Abia, just can decide to change all the Abia to Abia. Abia, you can change Abia apps. And you save. So the same thing applicable to all the categories of your data. Oil and at the date, the day you want it, on July, if you want to write it on July. So I did all this in 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 this worksheet here. Okay, still going. The next thing to do is to check filter unwanted outliers. Unwanted outliers is just the values that exceed the limits which you want your data to be. For example, here in the date, this data I only want to analyze from January to June. So anything above June, an outlier, I'll just come. July is not part of what I want to analyze. Delete anything that has to. Before I do that, let me check. Right, sex. Sort it. Delete this outlier. James an outlier now. Delete anything that has to do like anything July. Deleted. I deleted. Left with January to June. Blank. So I have deleted my outlier. That's the same thing like maybe you want to analyze data on age from 10 to 50 years old and you have 50 or 70 years old in inputted in your data, 50 and 70 years old are outliers. You can delete. But for some analysis, you may not like to delete the. Here you have handling missing data. Handling missing data. If you look, you go through your data, you see that some values are missing. Like here we have um, this person without category of practice, this pharmacist that is Thai active, Thai without category of practice. Then you see somebody here. We have this blessing Gideon without faith. This is the same value. Yeah. And we have three ways of doing that. If it is maybe name, it can be nil. Some people decide to put nil there. While if it is for numbers, this is a abstract data. Someone can put nil here. Okay. While for numbers, maybe 1 to 3 or something like that, so zero here. Or you can decide to confirm the real data from the backend database and import it here directly. A way of doing that, data I'm working with pharmacy council of Nigeria, I can copy it, station number, then I'll go directly check the state of this pharmacist. Pharmacist service and see, see, let me check the detail and just know the state of that person here, Akwa Ibom State. And you just come here, state, put it and save it. You will fill in the missing values. What is next? Next thing to do is to validate your data. How you can validate your data is to go through all your data to make sure all the necessary adjustments that you want to make, then you carry on analysis. So this is how my worksheet like. Uh, I finish everything. uh, for my data. I'll use this is pharmacist registration number, this state of caps, or state without state, name. Here I want to have it written in full that is completely spelled. Okay, okay. Your categories of practice, employment status, and data. So thank you for watching. This is short way of cleaning data. Here you can carry on with your analysis. Thank you.